Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to prepare garden egg. We call it in Germany obenji. We are going to prepare it today. Guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Let's cook it together. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I upload any video, you will be the first person to notify. Please guys. So guys, we have finished peeling it. This outcome of the obenji garden egg. So we are going to put it now inside the hot water. So here. I think I will put more water so that the water will come out a bit. So guys, we are going to throw the fresh pepper inside. Okay. Bring it out, it's ready. So this outcome of the garden egg, as you can see. So I have to mash it. I will mash it with a funny stick like this. We are going to fry the fish now. guys, our garden egg is ready. Obenji is ready. As you can see, guys, it's ready. Wow, the aroma scents so good.